No, I don't feel any. So much money in my pocket that my wallet won't close. I got ice around my neck and it feels like it's froze. But I don't give a fuck, cause I'm not the one you chose. Now I'm lying all alone, now I'm dying all alone. Now I'm crying on the phone, but that phone's iPhone 7. No, I'll probably go to hell, but at least my dogs will go to heaven. Now I'm fucking up a check, but I don't feel anything.
We got the QT. Here's Django and Anthony. I look like a fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex, but it's okay. So here's the Miata with the fucking mouth on it I was talking about. I'm on my knees recording right now.
Everybody is here.
Yeah, I'm ready. Everyone's here, about to go. Finally. It is 7:40. I look fucking stupid with this GoPro on my head, but looks like we're about to go. Let's give it a little rev. Woo! There's that 5.0. There's the Miata. There's that Lexus. Damn, dude, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. Alright, hopefully you can see everything. Slow Miata tried to pass me. No! Yeah, I haven't been able to go to Cars and Coffee since like last March just because I've been working so much. So hopefully I'll be able to take off more and I can start making better videos. We'll see what happens though. It sounds so much better with the windows open. Smells like straight up exhaust in here from all the fucking cars though. So here's Mountain Island Lake, if y'all can see out the windows. Basically around us we have 3 lakes that are all connected to the Catawba River. So at the top we have Wiley, actually at the bottom we have Wiley in South Carolina. Then Mountain Island at the top is Lake Norman, and that's where I'm at. Me and most of my friends are at. The kid with the Miata also lives on Lake Norman as well. So we're about to get on 485. You get to see what I was talking about. Good shit. Looks like we're pulling in. There's a sign. High Street, Charlotte Cars and Coffee. I've never actually shown my car at one of these. I've been to a few of them, but I've never actually, you know, parked. You know, last year when I used to go to them, I had a Honda CR-V. Wouldn't really want to show that. Wouldn't really want to show that. Unfortunately, these streets aren't very big, so we can't really do pulls like we used to do with the other ones and stuff like that, but, you know, still should be really fun. There's a lot of cops in these events, holy shit. Oh, damn, look at these. There we go, holy shit. Damn. There's a lot of cars here. But yeah, I've never been to this location before, so it should be pretty fun. Zach Vaughn. Wow, that 350 is 370.
I love that STI down there. My fucking person.
This kid put this on his car. Oh my god. He's parked in the lines though, that's the thing.
That's perfect.
His car's small enough that he can.
We go find Chris.
Brandon, it's like probably like the month old, something like that. You guys like one? I'm all good. Okay. You guys like one?
Yes, appreciate it, sir.
Original or mango?
Mango, please.
Mango, sweet.
Cars and nos, guys.
Sweet.
It's not so much cars and coffee anymore.
Awesome.
All ice.
That's nice.
Okay. Damn. Psych.
When I saw those blue lights pull in,
Moving next to the other Miata just gives Miata life. Vape Nash. Look at this dog, he's huge.
It's a cute dog.
Aww. Hey man.
Hey, bud.
STI Forester. Holy shit.
You said that's
Sorry.
a Forester nowadays? No, I said they don't even have these in the
Right hand drive. That's sick. We got Civic Land over here.
too much.
Civic Village.
He's on. Look how low his car is.
Damn.
Put one in the hatch, like the speaker over, put one in the hatch.
So wrapping up a little bit, it's like 9:43. Django's in there in the Miata. We're about to leave, hopefully go get some food. Freaking freezing. It's a solid 13 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but it says it's like 13. Freak wrecks right now. Everyone's looking at me like I'm fucking stupid. It's funny. Oh, Spotify. Y'all should follow me on Spotify. I have a fucking cool playlist. Well, I have a lot of cool playlists. They're funny as shit. Hold on, let me show you. Got White Rappers, Bend Over Hose, my go-to playlist. In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins. There's a little rev battle going on. Fuck, it's a good song. Yeah. Where's the difference? Ooh, yeah, there's a difference. Yeah, there's a difference. Guys, I'm pulling the Taco Bell. Had to turn the GoPro off though because it was losing battery, but finally got the Taco Bell after like half an hour. It wasn't really traffic, but it was a slow ride because there was a lot of people on the highway. So hopefully we'll get some good food. Then I gotta go to a swim meet later, but it was a fun morning. Pulling at Taco Bell finally. Just pulled in at Taco Bell. Finally here. I don't really know where oh, he's over there. And the Miata with the mouth on it. Alright, well, I'm gonna end it here. I appreciate y'all watching. I might
Drinking on sir, can't sleep. Drinking on sir, can't sleep.